Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to deal with mean in discrete series. So here in discrete series, let's look at what are the different formulas that we have. So we denote mean using x bar, and here under direct method you have your first formula, which is sigma f into x divided by n. So here x is given to you in the question and also f is given to you in the question. Okay, so f into x is the product that you get when you multiply both of these values. When it comes to individual series, n changes to total of the frequency column. It is not number of observations, it is total of the frequency column. The second formula, which is x bar equal to, under indirect method, the formula is a plus sigma f into d by n. Okay, so here a is assumed mean. Okay, when it comes to n, it remains the same, which is total of frequency, and when it comes to d here, it becomes x minus a, and here f is given to you inside the question. So these are the different formulas that you will be using under discrete series. So how do you recognize whether a given question is a discrete series or not? So here you will be given usually a set of numbers like this when it is individual series, and you don't have anything such as frequency. So frequency is nothing but the number of repetitions it occurs, number of frequency or the number of times that a particular value is occurring in a given data. So you usually have two columns here, which are x and f. For example, if I am looking at number of children in a family, so there can either be no children in a family, there can be one child, two children, three children, 4 and 5 children. So now if I'm looking at a data of 100 families, so now here number of families who are having 0 children can be 10, number of families with one child are 20, or let's say this is 30, then number of families with 2 children are also 30. So let's put the remaining as 10, 15 and 5. So here my total of this will be 100. This 100 denotes that this data is related to 100 families, and this x is number of children in each family. So this is how a discrete series data will be given. Okay, so now let's look at one of the questions related to discrete series. Okay, so this is the question. From the following data of marks obtained by 60 students, calculate mean using direct method. So the first thing we are going to note down, what is the formula for direct method? As we discussed, it is sigma f into x divided by n. So if you notice, in the data of 60 students who obtained different marks, so 20 marks have been obtained by 8 students. Similarly, 50 marks have been obtained by 10 students. Now, to apply the direct method formula, we are going to multiply both of these values and write down the multiplied values. Okay, so let me make the calculation. So here I have done the calculations. In the column where I'm making totals, my n column total, that is the frequency column total, will be denoted as n, where n equal to 60, and this is sum of fx column, of which the total will be 2520. Now I can substitute these values directly into the formula, which is 2520 divided by 60. Okay, so here I will get a final answer, which is 42. So I can write a statement saying that therefore hence the average marks is equal to 42. So this is how we will be solving a direct method formula. So now let's look at how to solve an indirect method formula. So first let's list down the formula. Just write down the formula. It will make your job easy. So A plus sigma F into D by N. So you have F already. You need to find D. So D equal to X minus A. So we are going to assume one number from X column. Never touch the frequency column. So X column may say, I would like to assume 20 as the number here. Okay, so here when I assume A equal to 20, 20 minus 20 is my first value, which is 0. Then I have 30 minus 20, which is 10. Similarly, 40 minus 20 is 20. 50 minus 20 is 30. 60 minus 20 is 40. 85 minus 20, which is 55. Okay, so now we are going to multiply F into D as per our formula here. We need to multiply and get the total of that column. So here this and this column I am going to multiply. 8 into 0 is 0. 12 tens are 120. 20 into 20, 400. 10 into 30, 300. 40 into 6, which is 240. And 55 into 4, it is 220. Okay, so now let's make a total of sigma F into D. Okay, now so let's make the total. 120 plus 400 plus 300 plus 400, plus 240 plus 220, which is 1280. Okay, so now here it's A, which is equal to how much? We have assumed 20. Sigma FD total we have 1280, whereas N equal to how much we previously calculated, which is 60. So let me put it here also, N equal to 60. Now X bar equal to 20 plus 1280 divided by 60. Okay, so you get your final answer, which would be same, which is 42. So you can write the same statement. Hence, average marks is 42. So this is how you will be dealing with your indirect method formula. Okay, so you can look at the practice problems which I am displaying here right now, and you can find the answers which are in the red colored ink, and you can solve the questions on your own. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rush Hour Prep. Please post your questions in the form of comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.